Imagine yourself in this Kia 2020 Forte GT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 1.6L inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine with variable valve timing, 201 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, adaptive cruise control, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel and automatic with auto-shift transmission. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.